Hi, all. Today I want to discuss about AWS SageMaker phases. We have four phases in AWS SageMaker. Those are prepare, build, train, and deploy phases. In each phase, we have different modules. In the prepare phase, we have SageMaker Ground Truth, SageMaker Clarify, Data Wrangler. And in the build phase, we have notebooks, Jumpstart, Autopilot, SDK, Studio, these are all for build phase. On train phase, we have manage train, experiment, distributed, debugger, model monitor, automatic model tuning, and built-in algorithms and frameworks. And we have another phase called deploy. And we in this we have monitor, endpoints, interface phases. So basically, we have these four phases. In this phase, today I want to in this video today I want to cover about prepare phase. I want to explain ground truth, clarify, and data wrangler. This is not a practical session. This is I want to explain only theory concept behind what is ground truth, what is clarify, how it is and what is wrangler, how it interact with each other. I want to explain these three phases, three models in the prepare phase. So the workflow looks like this. First, data set will go to ground truth. Once it is labeled, then it will go to clarify. In the clarify, we will do basically by detecting the bias. Then it will go to Wrangler. Wrangler will give you a beautiful interface for visual interface. Actually, it will do. So I want to explain detail in the later section. Let's go to ground truth part. See, the internal implementation is like that. So first of all, it will take the raw data, and ground truth will label the data, and after that it will give to SageMaker training. So what happens exactly in the ground truth? Ground truth labeling service to build accurate ML training data sets, and it supports human labeling and automated labeling. And the ground truth enabling integration with the mechanical trunk and the vendor workforce on your labelers. It reduces time and cost of data labeling, and it outputs dataset directly usable in SageMaker training jobs. Basically, ground truth will label the data, whether it supports human labeling and automated labeling also. It supports both. That is about ground truth. The next part is it will go to clarify workflow. Clarify basically detects bias in data sets and ML models. It provides explainability, shape values, and give me a second. Yeah, it helps regulate what basically basically clarify detects bias in the dataset and ML models, and it will provide model explainability. We have SHAP values, so it will explain the model explainability. It will provide feature like explainability. Basically, it will do these two factors only. It will detect the bias in pre-training bias, post-training bias, and production bias. So there are three bias I already explained in the previous session, and it helps meet regularity and fairness requirements. And we can integrate clarify with ML workflow for training and deployment also. And clarify generates reports to understand model predictions. So this is the clarify. And internally, as in the diagram, we can take model or data set, and we can do these two parts, bias report and explainability. Then let's go to data wrangler workflow. What exactly it will do? So data wrangler basically it will simplifies data preparation and feature engineering. And data wrangler supports 300 plus built-in data transformations, and it will connect to multiple data sources. As in the diagram, it will connect to S3, Redshift, Athena. So various data sources it connects, and it provides visual interface for cleaning and transforming the data. Basically, it will do cleaning the data set. So we can have visual interface for cleaning and transforming the data, and we can export the workflows using Wrangler for repeatable ML pipelines. If any pipeline is repeating, then we can export that workflows. So this is about Wrangler. In summary, what we have covered in this video, we covered ground truth. Ground truth basically do label the data, whether it is automatic or we can have team manual way. And the second part is clarify. Clarify will do two things: detects bias and explain models. And Wrangler, third part is Wrangler. Wrangler will prepare and transform data. So this is about in this video. So this is for data preparation. In data preparation, we will go through ground truth, clarify, and Wrangler. I think I covered the video. I covered the part. Thank you.